Let me take a quick listen to your heart and lungs.
Many doctors will tell you
Deep breath.
that every patient is unique.
You look a lot healthier.
University of Colorado Hospital's Dr. Monique Spillman,
I'm a women's cancer surgeon.
well, she knows each day will bring something new,
That's okay.
something different.
Yeah, it was kind of fun.
But never as different as when Dr. Spillman met Sally.
She is about 130 pounds.
Sally is a 44-year-old Sumatran orangutan at the Denver Zoo.
She has her rules and we have to follow them, and she rules the roost around here.
About a year ago, Sally started losing her spark.
Becoming more lethargic.
Her keeper, Cindy, noticed it right away.
It just seemed like it was this cycle that was just starting to go downhill. She's pretty elderly, and just the thought that something's going wrong at that age.
Tests showed a large fibroid in Sally's uterus,
So it's probably about this big.
and the mass was causing a lot of problems. The zoo's veterinary staff knew they needed help.
Great apes are very similar to people.
They called Dr. Spillman.
Telling us that one of their endangered animals, an orangutan, was having a problem where she couldn't eliminate her waste products.
And Sally's keeper, Cindy, canceled her plans.
They have a knack for getting sick when I'm about to go somewhere. My husband wasn't thrilled, but I couldn't leave without knowing what was going to happen.
This was going to work or it wasn't working. It was going to be fatal for Sally.
6 hours of surgery and a team of 5 doctors assisted by zoo veterinarians.
The uterus had adhered to every other organ within the abdominal cavity. It was the job of the surgeons to go through and dissect out and separate the different organs.
No roadmap to help them.
Even Google couldn't pull up anything about orangutan anatomy.
This was a very sick, very hairy patient.
I had never done anything on a primate. Touching the fur of an orangutan is interesting.
Somehow, with all that, the operation was a success.
She is acting better than she has acted in 10 years. And to have that kind of response from her, you know, it still gives me chills, actually, that she did so well with it.
Months later, Sally has her spark back.
All orangutans are into their food.
Dr. Spillman can add another line to her resume,
I can as a gynecologic surgical consultant to the Denver Zoo.
and Cindy can breathe a little easier.
I wouldn't say that in front of the other orangutans, but she definitely is one of my favorites.
Sally's ruling the roost once again.
We gave her a chance and she's doing great.
This is